In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Choppiness Index indicators on TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get this indicator showing up on your charts in just a couple of minutes. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. On your chart screen, look toward the top of the page for the Indicators button. It usually sits near the timeframes and other tools above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. Once that window appears, you'll see different categories along the left side and across the top. To keep things simple, we're going to focus on the Technical Indicators section. If you're not already there, navigate to the part of the panel that lists Technical Indicators. This is where TradingView stores most of the built-in tools you'll use for analyzing price action. Next, look for the search bar within that Indicators window. It's typically at the top of the panel. Click into the search bar so you can start typing. Searching is the fastest way to find exactly what you're looking for, especially when there are hundreds of indicators available. Now type in Choppiness Index. As you start typing, TradingView will filter the results. When you see Choppiness Index appear in the list, simply click on it once. As soon as you do that, the indicator will be added to your chart automatically. You'll usually see it appear in a separate panel below the price chart, showing a line that moves up and down to reflect how choppy or trending the market is. From here, you can hover over the indicator's name on the left side of that panel and access its settings if you want to adjust colors, line thickness, or inputs. This part is optional, but it's a nice way to customize the look so it fits with the rest of your chart style and is easier to read during live trading. Finally, if you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want more advanced features, extra indicators on your chart, or better tools for analysis, check out the link in my description to sign up. Using that link is a simple way to get started with the Pro version and unlock additional functionality while following along with tutorials like this. That's all it takes to add the Choppiness Index on TradingView Pro quick and easy.